we still rolling? Yes. What's up, tubers? Welcome back to the channel. Got another What's in the Box video for you. Today we're looking at the Revell 1/24 scale 70 Plymouth Duster funny car. Funny.
Funny how? I mean, what's funny about it?
The Flashpoint. I don't know the history of this, if it's a repop or not. I believe it's a repop of the Cop Out. I could be wrong. Correct me in the comments if you'd like. We're gonna crack into this and take a look at what's inside. So I can, as you might be able to see from the background here, I have a side-by-side comparison video coming up shortly. We're gonna get into this one first and take a quick look at it, get it out of the package. I have one other funny car that I've done in my collection. The Vega, I believe it was. Vega wagon. Yeah, it was alright. It's fun. Oh boy. Split rubber tires. Oh gosh, I can hardly wait. I'm so excited. Yay. I'm thrilled to see those. Oh my gosh. You know, sure, once it gets sanded and glued and put into the wheel well, you know, you hide one spot where really only be visible. It does have that cool stretched look, but come on guys, there's got to be a better way to do that. It's part of why I bought myself a 3D printer, because I got tired of seeing that kind of garbage. It's garbage. It really is. Remember the old ones that you couldn't even glue together? Nice single piece front and rear window. Always makes installation much cleaner. And some cherries, the blues and reds, whichever you choose. Some chrome stuff. It's probably a pretty chrome heavy build. And a lot of this, almost all of it, will get stripped and repainted. I prefer to do it myself. I do. Ooh. A lot of it because of contact, having the stuff stick or not. You know, it burns the chrome. But there's a lot of it here. Oof. Wow, is there a lot of it. So much chrome. At least the Revell stuff is decent. You know, it's not globby. I'm not sure what that is. I think that's part of like where the inside the motor compartment, the funny car funniness. Wait, more tires? Oh, those are the fronts. Well, I can see already the body looks completely different. But I mean, I guess that makes sense. The funny cars. Wait, what's that? What in the world is this? A rubber band. Or something. I wonder if that's part of the kit. And then two fronts, two solid, not very soft. I don't know what that is. We'll find out. And then the body seems very blocky. The front has very limited detail on the grille and the bumper. Not a whole lot of definition there. A little lip on the trunk. Pretty ugly sinkhole right there. I mean, it's okay, but, you know, just for comparison's sake, there's not a lot of style there. We'll get into this more in a minute. So, you know, for a funny car, I guess, once you painted a loud color and put a bunch of decals all over it. Not sure what that is. It's a part. It's numbered. And then the interior, that's interesting. Like I said, I've only done a funny car once, and I do remember it was different. Definitely give it that. And then the frame, chassis, rails. Yeah, I do remember that part, that gluing it together and keeping it straight was kind of a challenge. Had to create some kind of jig to make it hold straight. And then that, oh my gosh, the ginormous, what was this, a 426, I believe? Oof, this is huge. And zoomies, neat. Those are cool. I'd like to see more of those in kits. And drill that out, and wop, wop, wop. Some definition on the seat. You know, the seat belts and the texture. Yeah, a little fire extinguisher. Looks decent. See what kind of sticker it's got. Flashpoint. No, is that supposed to be a headlight? Okay. Yeah, 426. Decals for the tires. You know, neat. Those would be cool for another build. I mean, for this one as well, but oh, very cool. I'd like to have seen a whole bunch of those. Remove before flight. A couple different color options for the Duster spinner, the Tasmanian Devil, whatever that is. Oh, neat. Little monogram and Revell logo. So that about does it for the what's in the box. The Revell Plymouth Duster funny car. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. As soon as I wrap this up, I'm going to get to work on doing a comparison of these kits. Not a whole lot to compare with this one, but these two, you know what this means? I'll give you a second. Pause. What's that mean? It's a sheet metal worker asking for 5 more beers. Thank you. I'll be here all week. So, stay tuned. Got a side-by-side comparison of those coming. And this will be getting built eventually. And this was my first scratch built ever kit bash. Not scratch built, kit bash. First ever. I took the Jeep stuff, glued it to the bottom. Never wound up putting a motor in it because it wouldn't fit. I couldn't understand why it wouldn't fit. I'm an idiot. But I've kept it like this because it's a good reminder of where I started. You know, that was okay in my mind. No transfer case, I'll just cover it. Fixed, done. But came out pretty cool, right? Oh, excuse me. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Are we still rolling?